When your home isn't efficient, you aren't efficient. So when your refrigerator isn't operating right, you get ice buildup, and you feel the need to conquer that ice. Inevitably, you bring power tools into the equation, and you feel like an ice sculptor. Then you are compelled to make an ice sculpture of your childhood dog. It doesn't have to be this way. I don't have to make an ice sculpture of my childhood dog. Look for the Energy Star logo when shopping for appliances to keep both you and your home running efficiently.